Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. I do believe that you are doing well. In this video, let's learn about synchronized collections in Java. So in Java, synchronized collections are a part of the java.util package and provide thread-safe versions of various collection classes. These synchronized collections ensure that operations on the collection are atomic and are safe to be used in a multi-threaded environment. Fine, friends. Let's go through a simple example using a synchronized list. Okay. So here I have one class with name synchronized collection example. So let's start to write code in this class. Let's create an unsynchronized array list at first. First of all, list generic type string. Name of the list is unsynchronized list. Unsynchronized list equal to new array list. Diamond operators, constructor, semicolon. Let's import the interface list and class array list before moving forward. Fine, friends. So here we have created a list with name unsynchronized list. Okay. So let's wrap this unsynchronized list to make it synchronize. Okay. List generic type string. List name synchronize list synchronized list equal to collections dot synchronized list. Okay, and pass the select the method synchronize list and pass the list which we have created earlier, which is the unsynchronized list. Okay, unsynchronized list. Fine, friends. Give the semicolon and let's save our code. Okay. Now, friends, create two threads to modify the synchronized list concurrently. Okay. Let's create two threads to modify the synchronized list concurrently. Okay. So let's do that. Let's make it happen by writing the code. So write the class name thread name thread1 equal to new thread. Take the lambda expression. Okay. This is the lambda operator. Lambda body semicolon add semicolon. In now take one for loop here. Initialize integer I to 0 where I is less than 5. Increment the I. Make I small here. Now let's call add method on synchronized list. Okay, and pass the message as thread1 colon element element, okay, element plus increment operator I, okay, add a semicolon again, save the code, and let's create next thread, which is thread 2, okay. Write the class name again, thread 2, class name is thread 2, okay, thread 2 equal to new thread, again add lambda expression, this is the lambda operator, lambda body, add a semicolon, and again add one for loop here for int I, initialize I to 0, where I is less than 5, semicolon, increment the I, take the loop body, and again call the add method on synchronize list, okay, synchronize list dot add, pass the message as thread 2 colon element element plus pass the operator I. Fine, friends. Now let's start both threads using the start method, okay. So write the name of the first thread, thread1 dot, call the method start, semicolon, again write the name of the second thread 2 dot start, call the, sorry, call the method start, okay. Now let's wait for to let's for now let's wait for both threads to finish. Initiate one try and catch block here, call the method on threads 1 2 and threads 1 and 2, call the method join, okay, thread 1 dot join, again thread 2 dot join, call the method join, okay, semicolon, save the code. Now catch the interrupted exception, interrupted exception object E, and call the method print stack trace on object E, print stack trace, select the method, save the code again. Now let's do write code. Let's do write code to display the final synchronize list using the system.out.println method, okay, sysout control space, pass the message as final synchronized final synchronized list colon plus pass the name of the list. The name of the list is, pass the name of the synchronized list, which is synchronized list, okay. Synchronize list. Fine, friends. Save the code again. So friends, we have done with our code. Our code is ready now. Our code is ready to get the output to the console. Before getting output to the console, let's discuss our code once again for better understanding. Fine, friends. So let's start. So we have imports the necessary classes from the java.util package. Creates later on creates an unsynchronized array list The name of the list is unsynchronized list. Okay. Later on wraps the unsynchronized list with collections dot synchronize using collections dot synchronize list method to create a synchronized version, synchronize list. Okay. Later on, we create two threads with name thread 1 and thread 2. Okay. Which add the elements to the synchronized list concurrently. And then we use the start method on thread 1 and thread 2 to start both threads concurrently. And thread 1 dot and join method. This join method waits for both threads to finish before proceeding. And at last, we use the system.out.println method, which will print the final state of the synchronized list. Okay, fine, friends. So friends, this example demonstrates the uses of synchronized list in a multi-threaded environment where two threads concurrently add elements to the list. The use of synchronized list ensures that these operations are thread safe. Okay. So let's run our code. So friends, this is our output final synchronized list. Thread 1 element 0, thread 1 element 2, thread 2 element 0. Okay. So friends, this example demonstrates the uses of a synchronized list in a multi-threaded environment where two threads concurrently add elements to the list. So the use of synchronized list ensures that these operations are thread safe. Okay. So friends, this is all about how to use synchronize collections in Java. Okay. So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Please add value to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Keep coding, happy coding. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you once again.